In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union to PayPal. Now first I'll show you how you can do it through Western Union, although there will be a middle step, and then I'll show you another tool that may actually be better for if you want to have it directly to the PayPal account. But first, if you want to do it through Western Union, whether you want to send it to your own PayPal account or to someone else's, which is probably the case, then what you want to do is just send the money to the specific country that the recipient is in and that the PayPal account is also in probably. For example, that could be Japan or any of these other countries. Then click continue. Now here choose how much you want to send. For example, I'll go with 100 Canadian dollars. And then here choose how you want to pay for it. For example, I'll go with debit card. And then you can see how much the recipient will receive. Now the delivery you want to do in their bank account, and then click continue. Then here simply click add new, and then here enter the recipient's legal first name, last name and their mobile number, and just follow all of these steps. Then it will be deposited into their bank account. Now from here in the wallet section of your PayPal account, you can then deposit the money into your PayPal account by linking a bank and then just depositing the money into your account. However, there is an easier way to do this, and that is by using the following service called Xoom. Now this is also a money transferring service, but it is created by PayPal, and therefore it does allow you to transfer money into an actual PayPal account. For example, if I'm sending money to Germany, then here I can choose how much I want to send, then click send now, then click next right here. Now, if you don't want to send to someone's bank account first and then to their PayPal account, then the easier way to do it is to just deposit your money into your PayPal account, then here click send and request. And then from here enter the username or email associated with the PayPal account that you want to send the money to. And then here you can choose how much you want to send. So for example, I could go with the same 100. And then just click get started, and then it's better to just send it directly through PayPal instead of going through Western Union to their bank account and from the bank account to PayPal, because then you will need to take an extra step. So if it is possible for you, then just go and create a PayPal account. It's completely free to do and only takes a few minutes, and then just transfer it directly into the PayPal account of the recipient instead of their bank account if you do want to have it deposited into their PayPal account. So now you know how you can transfer money from Western Union to someone's PayPal account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.